Je te souhaite un joyeux Noël.
Let me show you how you can do similar multilingual Christmas greeting videos for your friends and followers. So first of all, I'll look for cute festive video clips on free stock footage sites like Pexels.com. I'll find a few to choose from while compiling the video. Then what I'll do next is creating the voiceover, the Christmas greetings, with the text-to-speech tool in the UniConverter. I'm going to use a simple phrase: I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year full of joy. I want this to be in multiple languages, so I'll go ahead and translate them. I'll do Spanish, Italian, German, French, and of course English. So here I have my phrases. Next, I'll open the UniConverter and look for the text-to-speech tool. This is the interface of the text-to-speech tool. On the left side, you can insert your text, and on the right side, you can find your AI voices that you can filter by language, gender, age, and scenario. So, we have 5 languages to go through, and the process will be the same for all. Let's see. I'll start with English, so I'll look for a voice in English that I like. I'm thinking of a warm, young male voice with a deeper tone. You can see the style of their voices, so for example, this one says deep here, so I can just click on it and play a demo. There are so many to choose from, so don't settle for the first one you find. Okay, now that I have the voice, I click on it, then I click on preview here to listen to the voice speaking the whole text.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year full of joy.
Well, I still like it, so now I can just click on export. And I'm done with the first voice. Now I'll speed up the rest of the process for the remaining 4, as it is literally the same. Okay, I have all the voiceovers for all languages. Now, I'll go to my video editor. This video editor software can be literally anything that you're used to using. And now I'll assemble the little video with the footage and of course the voices. I also add a non-copyright Christmas song, but this you can also add separately on social media, and then I export the video.
Je te souhaite un joyeux Noël et une bonne année pleine de joie.
Ich wünsche dir frohe Weihnachten und ein glückliches neues Jahr voller Freude.
Ti auguro un buon Natale e un felice anno nuovo pieno di gioia.
Now, my final step is adding subtitles to it. I'll use the subtitle editor from the UniConverter that has auto subtitle generation. So I'll simply import my video here and then click on auto generate subtitles. Even though we have multiple source languages, I'll choose English to be the subtitles. If the video only had one language, I'd choose bilingual subtitles, but since for us the voiceover is in multiple languages, we'll just add the subtitles for them manually. Okay, click on generate. And now I'll just add the rest of the subtitles manually using the text that I translated before. Now next, let's get into styling. So switch over to the appearance menu and either choose from preset designs or create your own. This style will be the same for all subtitles. When you're done here, click on export. Choose MP4 here to have the video exported with the subtitles burnt in. Finally, click on export again. When the process is finished, you will have your Christmas greeting video with subtitles. That's it. If you liked this tutorial, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.